What's up, guys? Alright, well, last night we didn't finish fitting out the chaser. It's pretty difficult.
It's pretty good. Had to reset all the coilovers.
Yeah.
Preload was all shot out.
Gabe's been like 4th time adjusted all around.
It's ridiculous.
And then another round, we're gonna raise like, what, quarter? Half inch?
We'll probably go
Quarter or half inch?
about half inch.
And see where it's at, because front side skirt was like dragging. Yeah, this chaser is taking forever to fit it out.
It's the preload. They maxed out preload on every single one, so had to reset all the coilovers.
And the coil is pretty old, so it's pretty stiff.
Yeah, but we soaked them down. They're pretty buttery now. Not too crazy.
Alright, well, I already did a bunch of time-lapse adjusting, so we're doing the same thing. I'll show you guys when we're done with it. I just pulled out Sora. So when I painted this, it was at night and it was a little too cold and didn't have enough clear. So it came out a little orange peely. Yeah, it came out right here. It's pretty bad. I got a wet sand it with 800, make it smoother and re-clear it. Just washed the chaser. Super clean now.
Oh, bro.
We're gonna go take some rollers of this. Alright, car is clean. Perfect time for sunset. I'm on pit bike. I was sanding this, finished, cleaned up, and Oscar showed up. What up? Oh, we gonna start fire going and cook some
steaks, baby.
Cook some steaks.
After we get some firewood.
We gotta go get firewood
From the woods.
from the wood. Let's go see. All right, hooked up with my boy Oscar, lumber boy.
Oh!
Big lumber boy. Let's go. Hey, Josh. We found a bunch of already cut big wood behind this bush. Probably previous. Nah, Josh wouldn't do that. But there's more. Found the gold, boy. Look at that. Such a good wood.
Let there be fire.
Fail.
Alright, take two. Delete that. Take two. Let's get this fire going. There it is.
It's nice day. Oh, we gotta move this before it gets ashed out.
Where's the fucking lighter?
No, it's going.
Oh yeah. See? Fire.
Move the cars so they don't get ashed out. Secured.
There goes the snap-on light.
Dance bomb.
The fire?
Oh. Right. Mitch came over.
What's up, players?
What's up?
Update.
Oh yeah.
Mitch is here.
Oh yeah. We did it right.
Kota with the seasoning.
We got peppers and zucchini going right now. Fire's good though.
We
What?
warm.
Sheesh.
Hey.
How's the zucchini?
Fire.
Zucchini and peppers way too hot. I could barely take a bite, but
Yeah, the peppers are fucking hard.
we slammed and fitted out a chaser. Came out really cool, and it's for sale too. So hit up Darren's Garage. Here, at Darren's Garage on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up. And I want to ask you guys one question. What is your favorite JZX100 out of 3? Mark II Chaser, Cresta. Let me know down in the comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.